The face is an architecture. Over time, the foundations shift. Fat pads shrink and descend. Ligaments loosen. Bone reabsorbs. Skin loses elasticity. It's not just about lines. It's muscle pull or over-engagement, volume loss, and gravity working all together. So with a liquid lift, we're addressing multiple layers: the bone frame, the soft tissue volume, and the skin itself. Botox relaxes certain muscles, especially the ones that pull down. For example, the frowning muscles between the brows, the downward pull, the corner of the mouth, or the platysma muscle drags the jowls and distorts the jawline. So I use Botox to harmonize all the muscle groups so they can work in synergy. Then HA fillers come in. I use them to rebuild and rebalance the frames, to restore volume where it's been lost, like the temples, the mid-face, the jawline. But I'm not chasing lines, I'm sculpting, rebuilding the framework of the face from deep to superficial layers. I'm recreating and rebalancing the highlights and the shades, so the architectural structure of the face is more rejuvenated. And when done precisely, the result is this lifted, refreshed appearance, while still looking like you. It's a little like restoring a sculpture. You don't overdo it, you respect the original proportions.